Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, where we stopped in the last class? Yes, we completed one lesson. What is the lesson? Yes, the Buddha. Okay. Then we complete the chapter, the Buddha. And first of all, the last class I give you one homework. Here, other than India, name 5 countries where Buddhism is practiced. Okay, you did it? Okay, then Nepal, Thailand, Sri Lanka, China, Japan. These are the countries. Okay, then today we are going to discuss about exercise part. Okay, exercise part. Page number 25. All of you take page number 25. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. Okay, here first sentence. When the Buddha was young, he was named Suddhodana. When the Buddha was young, he was named Suddhodana. Okay, the time of young Buddha, he was named Suddhodana. It's true or false? ചെറുപ്പകാലത്തിൽ ബുദ്ധയുടെ പേര് സുദ്ധോധന എന്നായിരുന്നോ? No, it's a false statement. What is the name of the Buddha? Younger age? Yes, Siddhartha. Okay, Suddhodana was the ruler of Kapilavastu. It's a true or false statement? It's a true statement because Suddhodana is the ruler of Kapilavastu. Okay, then third one, when Siddhartha saw a dead man, he became very sad. When Siddhartha saw a dead man, he became very sad. ഒരു dead man കണ്ടപ്പോൾ സിദ്ധാർത്ഥ ദുഃഖിതനായി. It's a true or false statement? Yes, it's a true statement. Okay. Then Siddhartha was later called the Buddha. It's a true or false? Yes, it's a true statement. Siddhartha became the Buddha. Okay, then last one. The Buddha means the enlightened one. It's a true or false? Yes, it's a true statement. Okay, then all of you write in your textbook. Okay, then next answer the following questions. Who was Suddhodana? What was his son's name? Who was Suddhodana? Yes, Suddhodana is the ruler of Kapilavastu. What was his son's name? Yes, his son's name Siddhartha. What 3 sights did the young prince see which made him sad? എന്തായിരുന്നു സിദ്ധാർത്ഥ ജീവിതത്തിൽ കണ്ട 3 കാര്യങ്ങൾ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ദുഃഖിതനാക്കിയത്? What is that? First he saw a man who was thin and groaning with pain. Then second he saw a sick man. Then last he saw a dead person. Then these 3 sights did the young prince sad. Okay, then page number 26. How did seeing the sights change his life? Then page number, all of you take page number 24. there's a Siddhartha was no longer happy in his fine palace. He felt he should do something about suffering, sickness and sadness. One night he left his palace, wife and child. One night he left his palace and wife and children, and then he went far away to the forest. He wanted to find a way for people to happy. Okay, then next, why did Siddhartha leave his palace, wife and child? Okay, why Siddhartha leave his palace? He wanted to find a solution for this problem. Okay, then what happened to Siddhartha in the forest? What happened to Siddhartha? He prayed and prayed lot. He prayed, and the end of his prayers, which he lasted very long, Siddhartha felt that he had found the answers to the question. That day became the Buddha, the enlightened one. He began to meet people and talk to them. He taught them to be kind to one another. Okay, what did the Buddha teach the people? എന്താണ് സിദ്ധാർത്ഥ ബുദ്ധ ആളുകളെ പഠിപ്പിച്ചത് എന്താണ്? He taught them to be kind to one another. Then he taught them to be kind to animals. He told people that they should speak the truth and always be honest. He said that if people were kind, good and honest to each other, then there would be less sadness and suffering in the world. Okay, these are the things Buddha taught to people. Okay, then all of you listen. Page number 26, vocabulary section. Vocabulary. In this lesson, you read about Buddhism. Yes, we read about Buddhism. Okay, let us read the definitions of some religious terms and name them. You can choose words from the help box. Okay, here definition of some religious terms and names them. Here some religious word, and you can choose the words from the box. Okay, then ascetic, holy, rosary, deity and rituals. Okay, then here ascetic, holy, rosary, deity and rituals. Here some sentence here: dedicated to God or a religious purpose, a string of beads for keeping counting of prayers, one who lives very simple life especially for religious reasons, a religious ceremony, a god or goddess. Okay, these are the sentences. Okay, these are the sentences: ascetic, holy, rosary, deity, rituals. Okay, then here some sentence: dedicated to God or a religious purpose. Dedicated to God or religious purpose. That means നമ്മൾ ഒരു റിലീജിയസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യത്തിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങിത്തിരിക്കുക, ദൈവമാണ് എല്ലാം, അതിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങിത്തിരിക്കുക, ലൈക്ക് ബുദ്ധ. ഓക്കെ, എ സ്ട്രിങ് ഓഫ് ബീഡ്സ് ഫോർ keeping count of prayers. A string of beads for keeping count of prayers. That means, did you notice that ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് റിലീജിയസ് ആവട്ടെ, എല്ലാതരം റിലീജിയസ് ആവട്ടെ, ദേ കൗണ്ടിങ് എ ബീഡ്സ്, ഒരിങ്ങനെ ഓരോ മണികളുണ്ട്, ഒരു മാല, ലൈക്ക് മാല പോലെ അതിങ്ങനെ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ, ബീഡ്സ് പോലെ. അതിനാണ് എന്ത് പറയുക? Okay, string of beads for keeping count of prayers. Okay, then one who lives a very simple life, especially for religious reasons. One who lives a very simple life, one who lives very simple life, simple ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലൈഫ്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എസ്പെഷ്യലി ഫോർ റിലീജിയസ് റീസൺ, എന്താണ് റിലീജിയസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള റീസൺ കാരണം സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലൈഫ് ജീവിക്കുക, അതാണ്. ദെൻ ഫോർത്ത് വൺ, എ റിലീജിയസ് സെറിമണി. റിലീജിയസ് സെറിമണി ഒരു റിലീജിയസ് സെറിമണിയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ എ ഗോഡ് ഓർ ഗോഡസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ ascetic means one who lives a very simple life, especially for religious reason. Ascetic means, then here first sentence, dedicated to God or a religious purpose. Dedicated to God or a religious purpose. ഇതിൽ ഏതാണ് അതിന് മാച്ച് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വേർഡ്? ascetic ഉണ്ട്, holy, rosary, deity, rituals. Okay, dedicated to God or a religious purpose. Okay, yes, first answer is holy. Okay, holy. All of you write in your textbook, holy. Then second one, a string of beads for keeping count of prayers. A string of beads for keeping count of prayers. Okay. Yes, you know that answer. Rosary, yes, rosary. Rosary, okay, rosary. Then third, one who lives a very simple life, especially for religious reasons. One who lives a very simple life, especially for religious reason. Okay, which word is suitable here? Which word is suitable here? Yes, ascetic. That means ascetic. Okay, ascetic. Okay, then fourth one, a religious ceremony. A religious ceremony. Here's the only two words, deity or rituals. Deity or rituals. Which one? Rituals. It's a religious ceremony. Rituals. Ritual. Okay, then fifth one, god or goddess. A god or goddess. Yes, deity. Okay, these are the words. Then all of you write in your textbook. Dedicated to God or a religious purpose, holy. Then a string of beads for keeping count of prayers, rosary. Then one who lives a very simple life, especially for religious reasons, ascetic. Then a religious ceremony, ritual. Fifth, a god or goddess, deity. Okay, then next. All of you take page number 27. Page number 27. Page number 27. Page number 27. Language and grammar. Language and grammar. You have already learned about the conjunctions and but. There are many more conjunctions such as when, while, all, or although. Join the following sentence using the conjunctions. Okay, we already studied about the conjunctions and but, when, while, or although. Okay, then we already studied in the grammar classes and but, when, while, or although. Okay, here some sentences are here. Okay, then here. Then here we already told that when is first one and used to list some words. അതായത് കുറച്ച് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് വേർഡ്സ് നമ്മൾ ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കും? ആൻഡ് ഉപയോഗിക്കും. ദെൻ ബട്ട് റീസൺ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ബട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കും. ദെൻ വെന്ന് എപ്പോഴാണ് എന്ന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കും? വെൻ എന്നുള്ളത് ഉപയോഗിക്കും. വൈൽ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രവൃത്തിയാണെങ്കിൽ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന പ്രവൃത്തിൻ്റെ ഇടയിലാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ വൈൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കും. ദെൻ ഓർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്നുള്ളൊരു മീനിങ് വരും. ദെൻ ഓൾ തോട്ട് എന്താണ്? ആയതിനാൽ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു പ്രവൃത്തിയിൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കും അല്ലേ? ദെൻ ഓക്കെ here some words. Siddhartha saw a sick man. Siddhartha was driving along in his chariot. Okay, which conjunction is used here? Siddhartha saw a sick man. Siddhartha was driving along in his chariot. Siddhartha ഒരു sick man കണ്ടു. എപ്പോഴാണ്? when Siddhartha was driving. Then how to write? Siddhartha saw a sick man. Siddhartha saw a sick man when, then here write when. Okay, when Siddhartha was driving along chariot. Okay, here we used when. Okay, all of you write in your textbook. Siddhartha saw a sick man when Siddhartha was driving along his chariot. Okay, then next, ice is cold, steam is hot. Ice is cold, steam is hot. Ice is cold, steam is hot. Then which conjunction is used here? Which conjunction? Ice is cold. Ice is cold. But steam is hot. Steam is hot. Steam is hot. Okay, ice is cold but steam is hot. അല്ലേ? രണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചത്. Then third, we waited hungrily. Mother cooked the food. We waited hungrily. Mother cooked the food. നമ്മൾ പാചകം ചെയ്തപ്പോഴെന്താണ്? നമ്മൾ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്തു, വിശപ്പോടു കൂടി വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്തു എന്നാണല്ലേ? Then we waited hungrily. Which conjunction is used here? Yes, while. We waited hungrily while mother cooked the food. We waited hungrily while mother cooked the food. Mother cooked the food. Okay, we use here while. Okay, then Next, fourth one. I read my book. Meena played with her doll. I read my book. Meena played with her doll. Which conjunction is used here? Which conjunction? I read my book. I read my book. Book. Meena played with her doll. Meena കളിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നപ്പോഴാണ് ഞാൻ ബുക്ക് വായിച്ചത്. എങ്ങനെയാണ്? Yes, while. Here also while. I read my book. I read my book. While Meena played with her doll. With her doll. Okay. I read my book while Meena played with her doll. Then fifth one. We put away our umbrellas. The rain stopped. ഞങ്ങളെ അംബ്രലകളൊക്കെ മാറ്റി വെച്ചു. The rain stopped. മഴ നിന്നപ്പോൾ. Then which conjunction is used here? Yes, when. When. Fifth one, when. We put away our umbrellas. Fifth one. We put our umbrellas when when the rain stopped. The rain stopped. The rain stopped. We put our umbrellas when the rain stopped. We put our umbrellas when the rain stopped. എന്താണ്? ഞങ്ങളെ umbrellas ഒക്കെ മടക്കി വെച്ചു അല്ലേ, മാറ്റി വെച്ചു. When the rain stopped. എപ്പോഴാണ്? When the rain stopped. The rain stopped. Okay, sixth one. I may go out. I may stay at home. I may go out. ഞാൻ ചിലപ്പോൾ പുറത്തു പോകും. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ I may stay at home. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ വീട്ടിൽ തന്നെ നിൽക്കും. Which conjunction is used here? It's a symbol. Yes, or conjunction. I may go out. I may go out. Or I may stay at home. Okay, here or conjunction is used. Then seventh one. Seventh one. I was late to school. I ran to school. ഞാൻ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് ലേറ്റ് ആണ്. അതിനാൽ എന്താണ്? I run to school. Then which conjunction is used? Yes, all thought. I was late to school. I was late to school. School. All thought. All thought. Then I ran to school. I run to school. Okay, I was late. Here used all thought. Okay, I was late to school. All thought. I ran to school. Okay, then last sentence. I want to go out. I have fever. I want to go out. I have fever. എനിക്ക് പുറത്ത് പോകണം പക്ഷേ പനിയാണ്. Then which conjunction is used here? But I want to go out, but I have fever. Okay, all of you write in your textbooks this sentence. Okay, then these are the conjunctions. Okay, then page number 28. Page number 28. All of you take page number 28. Answer the following questions with never or always. Never means ഒരിക്കലും അല്ലേ, always എപ്പോഴും അല്ലേ. The first two have been done for you. Did the Buddha ever teach people to the dishonest? No, the Buddha never taught people to be honest. This is your homework. അതായത് നെവർ എന്ന് എഴുതാനുള്ളടത്ത് നെവർ എന്ന് കൂട്ടി എഴുതുക, അല്ലാത്തടത്ത് ഓൾവേസ് എന്ന് എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ ഡിഡ് ദ ബുദ്ധ ഫീൽ സാഡ് വെൻ ഹി സോ സഫറിങ്? യെസ്, ദ ബുദ്ധ ഓൾവേസ് ഫെൽറ്റ് ആൻഡ് സാഡ് വെൻ ഹി സോ സഫറിങ്. ഓക്കെ, ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് യുവർ homework. Okay, then these are the activity. Okay, all of you write this all activity, and if you have any doubt about this activity, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.